Well, guys, if you love what you're seeing, please keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're making some breakfast, and here I'm making some festival. I'm going to use a cup of cornmeal and about 3/4 cup of flour and the added ingredients. I'll put those on the screen, so just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Okay, guys, next step is to prep our season to fry up our tin mackerel. Here I have onion, assorted bell pepper, garlic. I have add pepper that's not on the screen, and I'm going to use a piece of thyme. Yes, so I'm just going to cut those and put aside. Okay, we have completely prepped our season. Now we're going to add oil, allow it to heat up so we can start making our festival, shape our festival. And as you see me do, I just squeeze it together and make a log and roll to smooth, and we fry those on medium to low heat until they are completely done. So catch you in another step, guys. Keep on watching. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on so you will get notified when I have a new upload. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for all the support. So I'll catch you in another step, guys. Season, we start frying our festival. Now we're going to just fry our plantain, and here is our lovely festival. These ready to take from the oil so we can add a new set. Okay, so keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Okay guys, we're almost finished with breakfast. Plantain finished. Now we're just going to saute our season. I don't need a lot of oil for this. As you see in my pot, it's a small amount of oil just to tenderize my season that I cut, okay? And we're just going to add some complete season, some black pepper, and then we add our mackerel. After adding our mackerel, we're going to add a bit of salt and some ketchup if needed. So keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Here I'm adding my thyme. Yes, I love my tin mackerel with the taste of thyme. So that's what I'm doing here. So keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, here is breakfast all done, served, ready to devour. Yes, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for all the support, guys. Really appreciate each and every one of you for the continuous support. So catch you guys in another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.